and welcome everyone. I am Dr. Hemlata Patel. Welcome to this course on Advanced Spatial Statistical Techniques. This course is of 4 credits and with a week duration of 12 weeks. This course is designed to introduce you to the world of advanced spatial statistical techniques, an essential toolkit for understanding patterns, relationships and processes in geography. In geography, we are not interested in what exists. We are equally interested in how things are distributed, why patterns emerge, and how different variables are connected across space. This course will help you develop that analytical ability. Let us begin this journey of exploring geography through data. Thank you so much.